So let's have a look at whether you would be deemed to be the principal or an agent. So when you're in this scenario here, and that person there controls the goods, even though they're being supplied by somebody else, if that person there controls the goods and then passes them on to the customer, well, they are then the principal. And as the principal, you will show then the gross revenue and the gross cost of sales that it cost you. Compare that though to the next scenario where it's the person who makes the goods, they still control them when it's getting passed on to the customer. And so therefore in that case, obviously they are the principal, and so they will show revenue and cost of sales. And the person in the middle who's actually supplying the goods to the customer, he or she is just the agent, and he or she will just show the net amount that they receive. They won't show the gross amounts. So if the principal is somebody who controls the goods at the point of sale, then the agent is somebody who just arranges the provision of the goods. And that's what their performance obligation is, just to arrange the provision of the goods. Okay, so now you know who's a principal and who's an agent.